Guys, how's it going? Chad here. Welcome back to the Dorky and 40 channel. And I have a quick announcement here. I am going to go ahead and start a separate channel for my scale modeling, so all of the FPV fans don't have to worry about being bugged by modeling videos and everything like that. Now, if you are into that, there is a link to my new channel in the description below. It is called Mighty Scale Models. Pretty cool, I know. Probably mention that a few times over the next couple weeks to see if I can get any of you RC guys over there to build a model or two on a rainy or cloudy day. So what we're here to talk about today is this puppy. This is the 7-inch Source One running 6-inch props, and this thing is fully tuned out now and flying great. Now, real quick, before we just get to the flight video, I am going to do a full breakdown of my filtering and how I got to this point. We'll look for that later on this weekend, but I kind of like to demonstrate the results that I'm getting first instead of just kind of throwing something out there so everybody knows what they are looking for. This is a cruiser. It will do big air. I have tuned it for big air and for cruising because luckily you can pretty much get away with all that now. Before, maybe about a year ago when I was dabbling with 6-inch quads, you kind of had to tune for one or the other. So either fast, aggressive flight or a low speed cruising flight. Now that we have dynamic filtering improvements, now that we have D-Min, things like that in Betaflight, we have the ability to do both. This does have the Brain FPV Radix inside there, so I've got all the cool OSD stuff going on. We've got the CROSSFIRE telemetry and all that stuff right there in our FPV feed, so we can watch as our RSI changes constantly and surprisingly dips to 0 every now and then. Very interesting. So that's something I'm taking a look at and trying to work through. Now, the big question that I think a lot of people will ask is, how much better is this than a 5-inch? Now, a year ago I would have told you that the 5-inch was just as good as the 6-inch, but actually with the benefit of these better props and stuff that are out now and just how much better everything has gotten, I really have noticed a significant difference in the actual power and just the whole flight characteristics of everything of the ships now. Obviously, it's different frames and stuff than I was working with back then. The Source One's really thick and rigid and everything, but you know, there's a good option here if you're kind of bored. I really want to do that 7-inch build now that I've seen how much performance gains I've got from going from 5 to 6. 5 is still going to be my staple. The worst part about this is you can't really fly it in like high winds or anything like that because it does get, bumped around a lot more. But anyway, here's some flight footage. Take a look at that, and we'll see you guys this weekend for some of the video of the tuning. And don't forget to check out my other channel. We will talk to you later.